You see this strawberry ice cream? It's a must try. It's something you love. Very, very simple. And let me show you how to do this without strawberries. Into a bowl, you are going to go in with some milk powder. You can use milk if that is what you have, but I prefer to use some very creamy milk powder, and then the measurement will be in the description. I added some hot water to dissolve the milk powder. Using hot water makes it very, very easy to dissolve your milk powder. So the reason I'm using hot water, if you feel you can use cold water, go ahead and do that. Now you want to mix these until everything comes together and we don't see any lumps. Introduce your sweetener of choice. You can use sugar, honey, date syrup, and what have you. I'm using condensed milk in this video. You mix until everything comes out very, very smooth without lumps. Now to get our strawberry color, we are going in with some red food color. You know, when you add red to white, you get pink. It depends on the quantity too as well. So use a very good quantity. Don't do too much, else it will become very, very deep. So something like this is just okay. And then I'll link it in the description, all the details you would need. Now I added my strawberry flavor. Add enough so you can feel the strawberry flavor in the ice cream. So add enough to it. Just mix until everything comes out very, very good. This is what we achieve, and you can see right here that it looks creamy already. So into your popsicle molds or any nylon just like this, just transfer everything into it, and then you just go ahead and then you keep this in the fridge. So what I want you to know is that if you don't have strawberries and you want to know how you want to make strawberry ice cream, for you to achieve this color, you just have to add the red food color, and then as well as banana too. You can get some yellow food color and add it to your milk, and then you get it. So if you want to know how to make banana ice cream without bananas, let me know in the comments, and then I'll give you a video on that, a very, very detailed video. You will love it. It's very, very simple, and I have a lot of ice cream recipes on this page, so do not forget to check the description to get all the details you need to make this. Okay, I'll link most of my ice cream videos right there, so you give them a try. Now we just transfer these into our freezer, and then we freeze these overnight because this was made a night before. So overnight, and then our ice cream just came out creamy. Okay, creamy. Just look at this. Tell me you will not give this video a try. This recipe is a must try. You can use it to start a business, ice cream business. That way you get variety of ice cream to share to your customers. It's very, very simple. You do not have to source for fresh strawberries. You know, without fresh strawberries, you can still achieve the strawberry flavor, and it will be rich as well, very, very creamy. But if you can get your strawberry flavor, your fresh strawberries, then go ahead and use them for your ice cream. But this is a budget friendly way of making your ice cream. This is so good. It tastes so, so great. If you want to enjoy more videos like this, then you should do well to click on this video right here and watch another video of mine, which I know you love. Share, comment, subscribe if you haven't done that yet, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.